quick video about word wrap and show hide. I'm typing this paragraph to show you an example of what word wrap is. Notice as I keep typing, when it gets to the end of the line and the line is filled up, it automatically goes to the next line. That's called word wrap. Okay, and that when you try to do your paragraph formatting, everything will work correctly because you want to continue to wrap your words until you get to the end of the paragraph, and then you hit enter to show it that you have a new paragraph. Now I've taken this same paragraph up here and I've made some errors in it so we can look at how we can fix a word wrap problem. To find out exactly where the problem is in our word wrap so we can fix this is we go to the Home tab and click this little paragraph marker. The paragraph marker is going to show me on my text everywhere that I've hit enter. And you can see in some of those cases, I shouldn't have hit enter because this is all one paragraph. The only paragraph marker I should see is this one down here on the bottom. So I've gotten to the word example all and then hit enter to take me down to the next line, which has made my paragraph formatting incorrect. To correct that, without having to retype everything, I simply click in front of the word font here, hit my backspace, and then hit the space bar, and that will correct all that. Notice I no longer have a paragraph marker there. I can do the same thing with this paragraph and with this paragraph. And that makes our paragraph correct. So the only paragraph marker I should have is at the end of the paragraph. Let's look at the other options we see when we're working with the show hide. It's putting a dot every time I hit the space bar, okay, and also puts that paragraph symbol every time you hit the enter key. So if you use the show hide to correct your formatting issues on a Word document, that's what those little dots mean. They mean that you've hit your space bar there, and here's where you've hit the enter key. And that's a quick introduction to word wrap and show hide.